Alright. What's in my tool bag? Opening it up. We're greeted with some USB cables. I know what each of them does. I know I have each of them. But they're various USB-C to some other form of USB cable. Then below that, we've got oscilloscope probes. The oscilloscope itself, got this and the probes for like $60. I've got a Wi-Fi enabled wall current, power, etc. meter. Useful if I want to say, figure out how many kilowatt hours my fridge uses in a day. Exactly 1 in a 24-hour period. Then I've got an ESD strap cable. I've got a little inflator kit. I've got my digital multimeter with probes. I've got one electric screwdriver. I have an iFixit Protect toolkit. Never hurts to have precision bits. Then I've got a second electric driver. And additional bit kit for either driver.